O- Okay. So, children, in the morning I told you about the story of Palampur, right? And you know very well that Palampur is an imaginary village. So, what are the different types of activities performed in the Palampur village? So, that has been mentioned in this slide. So, I will tell you one by one, right? So, in the morning I told you that the story of Palampur there. So, what are the requirements for production? इट मीन्स प्रोडक्शन के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, ये मैंने आपको मॉर्निंग में बताया था चिल्ड्रन. दैट इज लैंड रिक्वायर्ड. अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन. सो and what are the factors of production? I told you in the morning. Factors of production: land, and that is labor, and that is fixed capital, working capital, human capital. Now I will tell you the difference between this one, fixed capital and working capital. What is fixed capital? Suppose children, you have taken tools for the farming. Tools like that. What is? Suppose you have purchased tractor. आपने ट्रैक्टर परचेज किया, मशीन परचेज की, या whatsoever. So these all are known as the fixed capitals, जो आपने एक बार लेके घर पे रख लिया, and that will run for long, for many years, जो बहुत सालों तक चलेगा. So that is your fixed capital, right? And second one is children, working capital. In the working capital, we count here two things. That's your money and raw materials. That will be your Bhavna Vadva. Raised hand. Is there any problem, beta? Just a minute. You have
Sir, I
unmuted
have
Bhavna.
a sir.
Yes, yes,
I
beta.
want to
Please,
ask that
please.
what is the fourth requirement?
Presently, I am telling you about the requirement of the production. Production के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए आपको? लैंड चाहिए, लेबर चाहिए, और कैपिटल चाहिए. अब कैपिटल की भी मैंने फिजिकल कैपिटल की दो यहाँ पर डिफरेंट थिंग्स बताई हैं. दैट इज फिक्स कैपिटल एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल. उन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या, वो मैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा आपको डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ, सो दैट दैट विल बी क्लियर टू यू. लाइक फिक्स कैपिटल, जो आपने एक बार सामान ले लिया और रख लिया. सामान इन द सेंस कि आपने मशीन ले ली, कोई बड़ी मशीन है 5 लाख 10 लाख 15 लाख की, या आपने कोई बिल्डिंग बना ली स्टोर करने के लिए, जो आपने प्रोडक्शन किया है, यू स्टोर दैट प्रोडक्शन. आपने उसको स्टोर करके रख लिया है, तो स्टोर करने के लिए प्लेस चाहिए ना. तो प्लेस के लिए आपने क्या किया? यू हैव मेड ए बिल्डिंग. आपने बिल्डिंग बिल्ड कर लिया, उस बिल्डिंग के अंदर आप सामान रख रहे हैं, जिसको आप वेयर हाउस बोलते हैं, स्टॉक बोलते हो, या स्टोर हाउस बोलते हो. तो दैट इज योर फिक्स कैपिटल, उसको हम फिक्स कैपिटल बोलते हैं. एंड सेकंड वन इज वर्किंग कैपिटल. इन दोनों की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है हमारे प्रोडक्शन के अंदर. वर्किंग कैपिटल कौन सा हुआ? मैंने आपको टू थिंग्स आपको यहाँ पे बताए. इन वर्किंग कैपिटल देयर आर टू थिंग्स, दैट इज मनी एंड रॉ मटेरियल. पैसे से आप सामान लेंगे, जब चाहे आप कोई भी चीज परचेज कर सकते हैं. सपोज एग्रीकल्चर के लिए आपको सीड्स चाहिए. सीड्स सीड्स कैसे आएंगे? आपके पैसे से आएंगे. यू विल परचेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ मनी. एग्रीकल्चर के लिए आपको पेस्टिसाइड्स, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, इस टाइप की चीज तो भी आप मनी से वो परचेज करेंगे, देन दैट विल बी वेरी इजी टू यू. So these are the requirements. These are the factors of production. What are the different factors of production? I'm telling about that thing. Clear all the things. Now we have to move on the next one. That is farming activities and non-farming activities. In the morning, I gave you a little bit description about it. Non-farming activities. In the morning, I told you that during our previous period also. Non-farming activities, shops, manufacturing units. Manufacturing units like that, I told you. Suppose pottery making, that is manufacturing unit. Basket making. At the village level, what can be manufactured? That is your manufacturing unit. So non-farming activities, first is shops, manufacturing unit, and second, services. What type of services are provided at the village level? See here, services like teaching, it is also a service. At the village level, there are many teachers who are providing like tuitions and other things. and accept this. That may be your doctors also. I told you in the morning. Nishtha is raising hand. So Nishtha, yes, please, beta.
Sir, please explain
Yes.
non-farming activities again.
What is beta? Repeat, please. That's non-farming activity. Okay, I am repeating it. Repeating. Listen to me. Farming activity, you know, all the things which are connected with the farming. Thus, I told you about the factors of farming. That is clear to you all. Suppose land, labor, and physical capital. And non-farming activities, with the help of this slide, I am telling you, in non-farming activities at the village level, गांव में नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज कौन कौन सी होती हैं? लाइक शॉप्स, दुकानें चलाते हैं गांव के अंदर लोग, सामान बाजार से ले जाते हैं और गांव में जाके सेल करते हैं. दैट इज नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी. उसको हम नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी में काउंट करते हैं. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, कुछ लोग गांव में ही अपने घर में ही कुछ बनाते हैं. सपोज पिकल मेकिंग, अचार बनाते हैं कुछ लोग गांव में ही और फिर सेल करते हैं. बाय मूविंग इन द डिफरेंट विलेजेस दे सेल देयर प्रोडक्ट. बास्केट मेकिंग, आप स्मॉल स्मॉल बास्केट्स देखते हो ना, दे आर मेकिंग एट देयर होम with the help of family members. They are making at their homes. So pickle, basket making and pot making, pottery जो बनाते हैं, कुम्हार का आपने सुना ना, घड़े बनाना, that is. So these are non-farming activities and done at the village level. And others accept all these. What are the other non-farming activities? Services. What type of services are provided in the non-farming activities? They are teaching. In villages also there are many teachers who are giving education to the people, to the students, like tuition centers. Maybe at the village level tuition center may be opened. Doctors also, some local doctors you can say, RMPs at the village level, maybe some MBBS also. If the village is very big, then good doctors may be there. Some dispensaries, private dispensaries, private clinics. So these all comes in your non-farming activities. आपने गांव में देखा होगा अलग अलग क्लिनिक्स खोल के बैठे हैं जो डॉक्टर्स हैं. So these all are known as the non-farming activities. Now clear, I think clear to all. Okay, then farming activities, I told you about the multiple cropping and modern farming methods. Multiple cropping, do you know? When we are going to produce a crop, then one type of crop is grown, but sometimes we have to grow many crops in a year. In a year, not one crop, two crop, three crops also. Like I'm taking an example. Presently, wheat crop has been harvested. Wheat crop means गेहूं की फसल अभी कट गई है ना बच्चे. After that, we will also produce another crop, that will be jowar crop maybe. And jowar crop, that's time is 1 to 2 months only. And after harvesting of that crop, then next will be what? Paddy crops, which is a rice crop. So in a year we have grown 3 crops. In a year, 3 crops. Understand this one? So that is multiple cropping is done in farming activities. And modern methods and others may be modern methods, and you can say that is your for irrigation and other things. Like modern methods, I am telling you, HYV seeds, high yielding variety seeds, not traditional seeds. Traditional seeds में children, वो सिर्फ जो production होता था, that was very low. But now we have modified seed also. Seeds को भी हमने modify किया है. They are known as the HYV seeds, high yielding variety seeds. और हाई यील्डिंग वेराइटी सीड्स जो है चिल्ड्रन, वो उसमें क्रॉप्स जो होती है उसमें आपकी प्रोडक्शन हैवी होती है, ज्यादा होती है. दैट इज. सेकेंडली, What are the requirement for the HIV seeds? Fertilizers are required. Those parents who are involved in agriculture, they can ask from their students can ask from their parents also. Parents भी आपको बता सकते हैं. Fertilizers is used. Fertilizers क्यों यूज करते हैं? ताकि क्रॉप्स हमारी ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन हो. And pesticides, पेस्टिसाइड्स फॉर पेस्ट. पेस्ट के लिए हम पेस्टिसाइड्स यूज करते हैं. एक्स्ट्रा जो घास फूस हो जाती है, दैट इज पेस्टिसाइड्स. एंड बिसाइड दिस, फार्म मशीनरी. I told you in the beginning, fixed capital, farm machinery, tractor, you have purchased tractor, harrow, cultivator, thresher. What are the requirement for the farming? They are known as the farm machinery you have purchased. And irrigation, modern methods. In modern methods, there are irrigation also. That is dams, canals. Nishtha is asking, yes. What Nishtha? What are you saying, beta? Just a minute, I have to unmute you. Nishtha.
नहीं सर, अब तो मैंने नहीं कहा. ये हैंड तो सर मैंने पहले रेज किया था.
Okay, in the beginning. Yeah, okay, hand was in the beginning. Okay, so children, I'm unmuting all. So irrigation purposes, children, dams, canals, and pump sets. We use dam. When our country became free, children, at that time, in the first 5-year plans. Presently also we are using 5-year plannings. In the 5-year plannings, first focus was on making the dams so that irrigation can be done easily. Dams and canals, with the help of the canals, then we can irrigate our fields easily. तो कैनाल्स की हेल्प से हम पानी अपनी फील्ड्स तक लेके जा सकते हैं, इजीली उसको इरिगेट कर सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट pump sets, we are also having pump set. Those people who are engaged in farming, they know very well about it. Tube wells का बारे में मैंने आपको बताया था ना, that's known as the pump sets. Tube wells मैंने पिछले periods में आपको बताया था. Tube wells are used for irrigation purposes, and electric tube wells we are using advanced technology now. So that is, these were the modern methods for farming activities. And now next point is your capital requirement. In the middle, see this one, capital requirement, and you have to pay fully focus on it, children. Capital requirement. Sonia is having raised her hand. So okay, Sonia.
सर मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग एक बार दोबारा से बता दो.
देखो, वन क्रॉपिंग एंड मल्टीपल. एक तो एक ही क्रॉप हम उगाते हैं, एक बहुत सारे क्रॉप्स उगाते हैं साल के अंदर. सो दैट इज नोन एज द मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. एक से ज्यादा, मोर देन वन क्रॉप्स ग्रोन देयर, दैट कम्स इन दैट. एक से ज्यादा क्रॉपिंग जब हम करते हैं, सो दैट इज. सो आप पहले तो क्या था साल में, चिल्ड्रन, इन ईयर ओनली वी ग्रो वन क्रॉप. स्टार्टिंग में क्योंकि हमारे पास इरिगेशन का सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था, डैम्स नहीं बनाए थे, पानी हमारे पास स्टोर नहीं होता था, ट्यूबवेल्स हमने नहीं लगाए थे इन द बिगिनिंग. बट नाउ in the villages also, all types of facilities had been provided, maybe by the government also and by the individuals also. तो अब हम पूरी तरह से मतलब डिपेंडेंट नहीं है कि वाटर के लिए रेन होगा तभी वाटर आएगी, या फिर वाटर के लिए जो है रिवर से ही वाटर लेंगे. नो, if river is not flowing, if there is no rain, then we can use underground water also with the help of tube wells. So that is, अब पहले वाली सिचुएशन नहीं. सो वी आर यूजिंग मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग इज डन नाउ, इसलिए अब हम मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग करते हैं. वाटर की शॉर्टेज की वजह से हमारे क्रॉप्स फेलियर होता है. तो क्रॉप्स फेलियर ना होना, किसकी वजह से क्रॉप्स फेलियर नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि अब हमने क्या यूज कर रखा चिल्ड्रन, अब हमारे पास एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज है, मॉडर्न मेथड्स हैं, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मॉडर्न मेथड्स नाउ वी आर कैपेबल टू ग्रो मोर एंड मोर crops in a year. That is multiple cropping. Okay, now children, next one is your capital requirement. Capital requirement for cropping pattern, for irrigation, for you can say production in the villages. Okay, listen now. First of all, capital requirement, from where we can arrange money. One thing is this, we have to save some money for the next cropping. One pattern, one side is that we have to save money, and large and medium farmers, those who are large and medium farmers, they have to save some money for the same. And second thing is, what is borrow money? If farmers are not having money, then they have to borrow money from the landlords, and from the, they can borrow from the bank also. Small farmers, landless laborers, small farmer and landless laborers, they always borrow money from those people who are prosperous in the village. Like I told you, landlords, those provide money to the landless farmers, landless laborers, or small farmers. Small farmer and big farmers, do you know what is the difference between the small farmer and big farmer? Small farmer, just like those who are having very less land, suppose 1 hectare, 2 hectare, 3 hectare, that is, they are known as the small farmers. And large farmers, those having big lands, 10, 20 hectares, 30 hectares, 50 hectares. So there is a difference between the small and large farmers. I think all these concepts are clear to all the students. I have explained in detail, and the story of village Palampur about the land distribution. Medium farmers are there, large farmers are there. So we have to move on the next one, children. That will be story of the village Palampur. This is now organization of production. How do you organize for the production? How can you organize for the production? The story of the Palampur, it is an imaginary village, I told you, and is to introduce some basic concept. In this chapter, we have to introduce some basic concepts like relating to the production and the other main activities. What type of production is done, I told you, and what are the different activities: farming activities, non-farming activities, and the aim of production. What is the aim of production? Is to produce the goods and services that we want. Shreya is asking something. Yes, Shreya. That Shreya and Bhavna both are raising their hands. Okay. Shreya and Bhavna.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, tell me the factors of
Shreya,
production.
in the beginning, I told you, child, many times I have told you that what are the factors of production. That's nice. Just a minute. In the beginning, I told you many times, I repeated factors of production like land, labor, capital. These all the things here. Left side you can see, child, factors of production: land, labor, capital. That was the beginning of the chapter. I told you many times. These all are now able to see. Able to see better. Factors of production: land, labor, physical capital, human capital. And in physical capital, two types of capital are here: fixed capital and that is working capital. I told you. Clear? Okay, next, Bhavna Vadva. Bhavna Vadva, okay. Bhavna, okay, I am unmuting you. Okay, child, tell me. Bhavna, you may ask any question if you are having. Just a minute. Okay.
सर
Yes,
आप ये जो
beta,
करेक्टर
Bhavna.
दिखा रहे हो, हमें ये अपनी नोटबुक में भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये इजी हो
Yes,
जाएगा,
you-
हमें नोट्स नहीं बनाने पड़ेंगे, इससे
You
इजी हो
can
जाएगा.
yes, you can make in your notebook also, and you can also take screenshot of all these if you like. You can take screenshot also, because these are the
सर
very
अगर हम ये
important.
करेक्टर बना लेते तो हमें नोट्स लिखने की तो जरूरत नहीं ना.
But for
इन्हीं के बेस
when you are going to write note answers, at that time you need of it, and if you are capable to understand with the help of all these slides, then it's very easy to you. This is for your understanding, because with the help of these, in the morning also some students were making request to me that with the help of the slides I had to explain. Most of the students send me messages, so that's why I used it. Understand this one, and I hope you are also getting knowledge fully and concept is clear to you, I hope. Okay children, so we have to move on the next one. That is, there are 4 factors of production. I'm telling you again: land, labor, capital, and organizations. Organized, that is organized by the human beings, right? Okay, now your next slide, child. Just a minute. Okay, land, labor, physical capital, and factors of production. I have already discussed about all these. I'm telling you again, like that. Land, this is the first requirement, because without land and without natural resources, water, forest, we can't produce any type of crops. Second, labor is also required for working on the field, and 2 types of skilled and unskilled, which you can say manual labor also, that is required. Third one, I told you about the physical capital. Physical capital, 2 types I told you, that is your fixed and working capital. Tools, machinery, buildings, these all are considered as the fixed capital. Raw material, yes, raw material and money in hand, they are known as the working capital. And accept this children, the fourth requirement, Nishtha, yes, any problem beta? Nishtha, I'm unmuting you.
सर
Yes, Nishtha, speak now.
सर आपने बताया कि मतलब अगर हम फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करते हैं तो हम उसको एक बार ही लेके रख लेंगे, फिर वो हमें यूज होते रहेंगे, तो वो भी वर्किंग कैपिटल में माने जाएंगे।
फर्टिलाइजर्स आपकी पैसे से ही तो आएगी ना बेटा, वो तो फिर यूज हो जाती है, दैट इज कम्स इन दैट द सेम, क्योंकि मनी जो आप यूज करते हैं, फर्टिलाइजर इज परचेज्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ मनी, वो मनी से परचेज होती है, और जो चीज मनी से आती है वो आपकी वर्किंग में आएगा। अब जो आपने एक बार लेके फिक्स कर लिया है और वो हर साल यूज होती है, तो वो तो हो गया आपकी फिक्स कैपिटल, लेकिन फर्टिलाइजर तो यूज हो गया, वो फिक्स थोड़ी रहेगी। नेक्स्ट ईयर यू विल आल्सो
यूज करके खत्म हो जाए, वो वर्किंग कैपिटल है।
हाँ, जो हम यूज कर, जैसे रॉ मटेरियल, आपने रॉ मटेरियल लिया, सामान बना, सेल कर दिया, फिर रॉ मटेरियल लाए, फिर सामान बना, फिर सेल कर दिया, फिर रॉ मटेरियल लाए, सामान बना, सेल कर दिया, तो वो क्या होगा, दैट इज वर्किंग कैपिटल।
सर
तो और ये फर्टिलाइजर्स, दैट्स ए पार्ट ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल, ये उसका पार्ट है। उसमें यूज किया, क्रॉप्स आई, आपने क्रॉप सेल कर दी, नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन आपने सीड्स लिए, फर्टिलाइजर्स लिए, उसको यूज किया, क्रॉप्स अगेन हार्वेस्टेड किया और सेल कर दिया, तो दैट्स ए पार्ट ऑफ योर वर्किंग कैपिटल। क्लियर हो गया? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज द फोर्थ रिक्वायरमेंट इज द ह्यूमन कैपिटल। अब ह्यूमन कैपिटल आपकी नेक्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट है। एवरी प्रोडक्शन इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय कंबाइंड लैंड। हर एक जो प्रोडक्शन होता है चिल्ड्रन, उसको हम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं कंबाइंड लैंड से, लेबर से, फिजिकल कैपिटल, ह्यूमन कैपिटल, विच आर नोन एज द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं चिल्ड्रन, दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर नोन एज द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन। इन सभी को हम फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बोलते हैं, राइट? ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वी हैव टू मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट। ओके, नाउ according to Palampur village children, listen, land area under cultivation is fixed. In that village, land area is fixed. Farming is the main activity. I told you that the main activity in that village is farming, and 75% of the people are engaged. How many people are engaged? 75% of people in that village are engaged in farming. Then after 1960s, there was no expansion of land for future, for further scope to increase the, what is to increase the farm production. It means after 1960 land is not increased, कि 1960 के बाद और ज्यादा लैंड इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ जिस पर हम ज्यादा फार्मिंग कर सके. Why this has been happened? क्योंकि उस गांव में और ज्यादा लैंड बची ही नहीं. मान लो फॉरेस्ट लैंड, हम फॉरेस्ट लैंड को क्लियर करके लैंड इंक्रीज करते हैं फार्मिंग के लिए, बट देयर वाज नॉट सच लैंड, देयर वाज नॉट बैरन लैंड, नॉट फॉरेस्ट लैंड, एंड the land which is you can say idle and जो which is not in used, ऐसी लैंड वहां पे थी ही नहीं. So after 1960 land has not been increased for production purposes in Palampur village. Clear चोल. 1960 के बाद पालमपुर विलेज में लैंड इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ एग्रीकल्चर के लिए. So that is the situation. Okay, so now your next slide, what is that telling? Listen children, can we grow more from the same land? क्या हम सेम लैंड से और ज्यादा ग्रोइंग कर सकते हैं? No land is left idle. It means okay, 5 to 7 minutes are left. Okay, no land is left idle. Idle land नहीं है वहां पर. We are using fully land in the Palampur village, and all land is brought under cultivation. All type of land is brought under cultivation. During the rainy season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. I told you. After this, now there will be rainy season in the month of May, June, July. So farmers, they have to grow jowar bajra in this season, in this rainy season. And during the month of October and December, they cultivate potatoes. October and December, they cultivate potatoes. And after that, they again grow crop of wheat. They grow crop of wheat. In the winter season, wheat is the main crop. The surplus wheat produced will be sold in the market. Now, with the help of advanced technologies, children, we are growing the crops, and surplus production is also being done. Surplus production. And surplus production that is sold in the market. उसको मार्केट में सेल करते हैं, also having money. Sold in the market. And Raiganj, sugarcane is also cultivated once in a year. In the Raiganj, that is the market in Raiganj. Sugarcane is also cultivated, but that is one time in a year. Sugarcane only one time in a year. No other crops is grown. Only one crop, that is sugarcane, one time in a year. Okay, the well-developed system of irrigation. I told you many times irrigation system, but now we have developed well system of irrigation. Electric run tube wells is helping them to grow their crops in a year. Electric run tube wells. Tube wells are running with the help of electricity. If there is no rain, and in the rivers also there is no water, then how will you irrigate your land? How will you irrigate your field? At that time, when there is no rain and no water in the rivers, then in the rivers and canals, then we have to take help of what? Tube wells, electric tube wells, and we use underground water for this purpose. It means we are having advanced technologies, right? In agriculture, we are using advanced technologies. So that is. Okay. One way of increasing production, the same land is multiple cropping, one way. And how can we increase production from the same land? Multiple cropping is being done. So we can increase production. Second, other ways to use modern farming methods. And another way, how can we increase production more and more? that is modern farming method, not traditional. No, ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग से ज्यादा क्रॉप हमारा प्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा, बट इफ वी यूज मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स our production will be very high and yields requires less irrigation. In the traditional system, yields require less irrigation. In the traditional, no need of much water, but in the modern farming we require much water, more water as compared to traditional farmings. In modern farming we require more water as compared to traditional farming. Clear this thing? Because children, modern farming से हमारा प्रोडक्शन भी ज्यादा होता है, बट उसमें एक और भी है, हमें फर्टिलाइजर्स भी यूज करते हैं, पेस्टिसाइड्स यूज करते हैं, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स यूज करते हैं, और साथ में वाटर भी ज्यादा यूज होता है मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स में. दैट्स व्हाई आवर प्रोडक्शन इज आल्सो हाई. हमारा प्रोडक्शन भी ज्यादा होता है. द यूज ऑफ HYV means HYV seeds ensure better production. इससे भी प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा होता है. And requires more amount of water and chemical fertilizers. Better production, for better production by using HYV seeds, we require more amount of water and more chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides. Then we are able to produce more. It means production will be high. If we use modern methods of production in the fields, that is, farmers are using tube wells for irrigation. I told you about the tube wells. And farm machineries. What are farm machineries? What type of machineries are used? I told you farm machineries like tractors, threshers, harrows, cultivators, combines. These all are the machineries. And these also comes in your fixed capital. These are also known as the fixed capital. क्योंकि आपने एक बार ले लिया, कई सालों तक एज इट इज चलेगा. So that is your fixed capital. And children, I think your time is also going to be over. 1 or 2 minutes is left, because after 40 minutes, this automatic close. There is any query, beta? Okay, then from Bhumika, yes, child, you are unmuted now, Bhumika.
सर
Okay,
मुझे ये
tell
पूछना
me.
था कि ये जो
Yes,
सर आपने स्टार्टिंग में चैप्टर फर्स्ट भेजा था जियो का, तो सर उसमें आपने क्वेश्चंस पे टिक लगा रखे हैं, तो सर वो क्वेश्चन लिखने हैं या विदाउट
only
टिक
those.
वाले क्वेश्चन?
No, मैंने भेजे ही वो जो आपने करने हैं. Only long questions you have to write, long questions only, nothing else. Long question मैंने अलग से आपके PDF भेजा, long question आपने लिखना है. And there was
चैप्टर 1 जियो का.
Okay, what is better?
सर चैप्टर 1 जियो के पे सर आपने टिक लगा